All right, let's get the review out of the way. Let's just get right down to it. Let's get busy, people. Let's get busy, people. Get back to work. All right, what we want to do here, let's do the review. My name is Reverend Wood. I go by Sage FT online. I'm the founder, creator, and head nitwit over at the live trading desk Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. till market close, and sageft.com. This is a review for May 29th, 2025. Not an easy day if you were microscopic. A lot of draw is what I see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 15-minute chart. Let me pull it. Presto. All right, so taking a look at the 15-minute, what we wanted to do is we wanted to make sure that we were on the right side of momentum, right? So now, the crazy thing is, if you look at it overnight, momentum would have been up. Oh my God, we're up 1 point, blah, 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 percent, blah, 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 right? Now, if you think about it, here's where all of the retail people start to wake up. They turn on CNBC, right here. And when they turn on CNBC, they see that it's up, right? So they create some liquidity. And so what they did is they created liquidity perfectly. They bought here, they had to close it here, so then they started to buy here. All right, so now, what I think, the way that we traded this was absolutely perfect, guys, all of us, right? It doesn't matter if you're red or green, right? If you followed your process, you did very, very well. Now, with that being said, even though it looks like, well, you could have just, when everything turned red, you could have just sold. Alto, por favor. Here's why. The 15-minute never turned position one. We were fractal down. We were never position one. Okay, so let's go to the 2-minute chart. Let's see how we traded it. The way that we want to look at this is when we're fractal down on the 15-minute, see, it's right here, right? You start to look for the sells. Pops above the green, you could counter trend. You look for the sells. Wait for it to go back into position one. Okay, the way we can call it position one is because the 20 is below, the downsloping 20 is below or above price, which is downsloping, and it is below the 200, right? So that tells us to start taking shorts. All right, now what you want to do is you want to just be patient. And so you were patient enough, you waited for it to go back into position one on the 2-minute, okay, and you were able to take some price action, some trades. It wasn't as easy as it looked. I was up 1,100, 13, 1,400. Okay, I went to positive 400 between the accounts, and then at the end of the day, I got this last little run where we had a target of 25, and we freaking nailed it because the 10s held. Okay, so now what do I think is going to happen overnight? This is the best thing. This is why you guys are all here. What I think is going to happen overnight, and I can even just show you on the 2-minute chart. It's that simple. Okay, I think they're going to pound shorts in the sand. 60-20, 60-70, 61-80. PCE tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. We've got 3 minutes till the end of the stream. I'm going to end the review here. Folks, you don't want to miss this. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your sister, tell your brother. Okay, you found the guy that actually does know how to trade the S&P 500 E-mini futures. I really do know how to read the tape. I really read every little bit of it. I really do know how to trade. This is real trading. All right. Review. We'll see you in the room tomorrow morning.